T850 class. Once again, Matt McCaffrey, 77. Mac Jones, red boat, 123. Josh Gordon, 197. Michaela Gordon, boat 330. 4112, Eric Gordon. Chris Gordon in 509. Craig Bruce, 416. Greg Mistelbacker in 60. And Christian Luxep in 711. 1 minute fly, they're down to about 30 seconds. And we're a couple boats way back. Did not read that clock correctly. Now we're down to about 10 seconds coming to the start line. 5, 4, look at those boats up in their pads. 3, 2, 1. Looks like a clean start. Oh, look who's got in front of this time. It's Matt Jones on the inside. Where's Nixon back in the 6th position? 71 there, 77. Matt McCaffrey made a very bad start. But what a glorious run right now. I got a cheer for Mac Jones, who's just learning to get how to get that boat running, and it looks like he's doing just fine, running a 2nd position right now. He had a great start. He in line. He still has to get maybe a mile or 2 an hour to get out there with the top runners. But oh, look at that boat. Talk about out of the water completely. That thing is absolutely flying. That is 197, Josh Gordon. 197, Mac Jones. Where's everybody else? Oh, 509, that's right there, the position. All right, now, if I'm number 197, Josh Gordon, I'm just saying, make no mistakes. Just get out here and run as fast as you can, because you were second in the first heat, and I don't even see number 509 anywhere near me in this heat, so he's just got to keep it going. Now 509, that is Eric Gordon. He just moved into 4th position. He was 7th. Christian Luxep is on his outside, but right now it is 197. Josh Gordon running very fast. Mac Jones in 1, 2, 3 in 2nd position. Mac Jones, beautiful outfit, all red engine, easy to detect. Oh, look at the battle going on for 3rd, 4th between Christian Luxep on the outside. Eric trying to haul in, like clogging the pins tight. Christian trying to get on the outside, but they're all straight away behind. 197. Josh Gordon is just absolutely killing the field this heat. 197 coming up now for the green flag lap. Look at that boat right up on the crazy cushion. He is flying that boat, as is Mac Jones. 1, 2, 3 right behind him. 197 carving down. Mac Jones getting on the throttle a little early. He's taking up to see all those holes on the water. This is back running through. It is right now 509. Eric Gordon. Chris Gordon. 711. But who cares? Down the bottom in the corner. Holy smokes. About to lap the rope in 4 laps. He's about to pick up the back markers already. And that is 197. Josh Gordon right behind him. 1, 2, 3. Mac Jones. Look at these crazy boats coming down. Talk about getting out of the water on that path. Absolutely airborne. They're running them straight away from the other. Oh, we lost one. Dead end in the middle of the course. And it is still, there's no way that anybody's going to take this away from 197 Josh Gordon. There's nobody doing a great job running 2nd, but he ran 4th or 5th in the first heat. 509, who won a Chris Gordon in the first heat, he's back locked in 5th. So it's all about the start And 197, Josh Gordon is going to get the checkered flag. Here he comes. Look at him stand that boat right up on in. Holy smoke. Josh Gordon flying that boat from one end to the other. There's your winner. Unbelievable run. Holy smoke. Get out. You got to turn the garment on somewhere. He's going into inspection. He knows. He knows. Round of applause for 1, 2, 3. Matt Jones, who just had his first photo when he finished with that. Great run for him. That all red Stinger engine, you can see him a mile away. Tell me, 509, Chris Gordon, is it a little bumpy at the back of the pack? Yeah, it is, isn't it? No doubt Matt Jones is going to be smiling tonight. That boat just flew. Mac